Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to remove the lower knee kick panel on our 07 Mazda 6 sedan. Need any parts for your vehicle? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. You have to start by removing the hood cable release mount. I don't want to, if you can see here, you take a flathead screwdriver and there's a tab that you push up on and you pull at the same time. Okay, so I got it. So you have to take a flathead screwdriver and slide it there and pull down on the tab at the same time. So pull the tab completely down. When that tab gets pulled down, you've got your three sliding ears, and you pull it towards you and it pops right down. Now we're going to remove these two mounting screws. It's an 8mm socket. Grab the kick panel firmly and pull it out. And with it hanging down, we can disconnect the trunk release button, pushing on that tab. We're going to reconnect the trunk switch connector, lock that into place, and you've got all your push tabs location. I'm going to do the top first. Well, actually, on this particular model, you might line the bottom up, and then the top will slide right in. And then just push it on. And now we got those two mounting bolts. We'll mount those. Once those are tightened, we'll grab our hood release cable, and we've got those three tabs that are going to go lined up. Click it into place, and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.